Yeah, that's right.
No,
9:35.
Yeah, they should only last 20 minutes.
Well, I don't know.
Wow. And again, and again, and again. Oh, that's
Wow,
pretty.
that's a nice one.
Excellent.
That's a big one, Michelle.
Oh, I love
You get some?
I got it.
Yeah? Oh,
Going
okay.
on Facebook, baby.
They're pretty.
You got a big one, send it to me, okay?
Say that again?
If you got a big one, send it to me. Send it to my phone or Facebook.
Yeah, you're dirty.
I haven't been Wildwood on
You
No,
think you're
she
dirty.
is.
Huh?
Oh, see, now we can't put this
Don't
on
worry.
Facebook. Now. Don't
The
talk
big
like
ones
that.
are
My
heavy.
daughter's going to be watching this.
What's the emphasis on the Labor Day?
Oh, they videotaping what we say?
For some reason we were down there, and I didn't even realize we were down there the last day of summer. And they put on this huge fireworks display down there. And I was walking the boardwalk, and everybody was like gathering around this area, and I'm like, what's going on? They're like, it's the last day of the summer. They're putting on fireworks display. We just happened to catch it.